Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and if you're looking for a really fun mermaid movie, check out Aquamarine. This was one of my favorite movies when it came out in 2006, and I have to say, it's still really fun and it's perfect for the summer. You might recognize some of the people like JoJo the singer and Emma Roberts, and it's filled with so much fun. Of course, one of the girls is an actual mermaid who comes onto land, so it's kind of like a modern day telling of the Little Mermaid, just a little bit. And if you're a tween and it's 2006, but it's filled with so much laughter of them trying to teach her what it's like to be human and them falling in love, and all the good things about just being a young teen and experiencing the world. And at the heart of it, it's all about friendship and the friendship that all three create together, and it's such a sweet story. If you're looking for an awesome summertime movie, this is the one it's going to be. It literally takes place during the end of the summer, it's at the beach, and there's a mermaid. You can't get any better than that. Check out the movie Aquamarine. And that's my point of view.